Best of 2022, Top 10 Most Popular Indian Stars. Number 10. Yash. Rocky Bai, aka Yash, rose to superstardom with KGF, Chapter 1 in 2018, and the long wait of 4 years didn't diminish the massive anticipation around KGF, Chapter 2 in 2022 at all. The Kannada movie went on to become a pan-India superhit, and Yash's performance as the larger-than-life gold kingpin swept the nation. Number 9. Allu Arjun. Flower Nahi Fire Hot. With the release of Pushpa, The Rise, Part 1 in December 2021, popular Telugu actor Allu Arjun gave memes fodder for an entire year with his one-liners. As the movie made its way to Prime Video in 2022, he became a household name across the country. The sequel is on its way, and we cannot wait to see how he takes it to the next level. Number 8. N.T. Ramarao Jr. N.T.R. delivered one of the best performances of his career in 2022 with S.S. Rajamouli's RRR, and rightfully became a global sensation. Not only has his name been submitted to Oscars 2023 for the Best Actor race, he's also left his fans intrigued about what he has in store for them with NTR 30. Number 7. Kiara Advani. Kiara Advani delivered two of the most commercially successful movies of the year with Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2 and Jug Jug Ji-Io. She also bagged a Filmfare nomination for Best Actress for her 2021 hit Sheers Ha this year, and made her Coffee with Karan debut that made headlines for weeks. Number 6. Hrithik Roshan. After 3 years, Hrithik Roshan was finally back on our screens with Vikram Vedha in 2022, and just one movie was enough for him to emerge as one of the most popular stars this year. It was evident that he had a lot of fun playing dreaded gangster Vedha, and fans loved every minute of it. Number 5. Samantha Ruth Prabhu. Already on a high after a successful 2021, Samantha Ruth Prabhu had two releases in 2022, Kathavekula Randu Kayadhal and Yashoda. But it was also her disarming honesty with fans about personal struggles and triumphs, plus an unforgettable debut on Coffee with Karan, that had her making headlines through the year. Number 4. Ram Charan. Fans were already lining up to watch Ram Charan, one of the most prolific actors from the Telugu film industry, but S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus RRR made his popularity soar higher than ever across the world. So much so that his name has been submitted to Oscars 2023 for the Best Actor race. Number 3. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. No one brings it quite like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and oh, how we've missed her on our screens. After several show-stopping appearances at Cannes in May, Aish returned to the movies after 4 years with Mani Ratnam's Ponniyin Selvan, Part I, looking exquisite as ever as Nandini and making 2022 an unforgettable year for her fans. Number 2. Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt delivered 4 consecutive hits in 2022 with Gangubai Kathiawadi, RRR, Darlings, and Brahmastra Part 1, Shiva, winning critical acclaim and commercial success. She also got married to her partner Ranbir Kapoor and gave birth to their first child. If that's not a blockbuster year, we don't know what is. Number 1. Dhanush. 2022 is the year of Dhanush. Not only did he make his Hollywood debut with The Grey Man, but the star also proved that he can mold himself to fit any role. Between Thirusha Trambalam, Nanvaruvian, and Maran, the reserved actor continued to make headlines throughout the year.